What's going on, YouTube fam? Today I want to share a video on customer service and client satisfaction and doing things that are a little bit out of the box, right? So I got an email from one of the clinic managers at a building we take care of, letting me know that 2 of their trash can lids are broken. And I don't know if we did it or not, but it was kind of one of those things where she was just like, hey, Darren, can you make sure the crew is careful with these trash cans because they're pretty cheap, it's plastic and they break off very easily. That being said, I emailed her back like, thank you for bringing this to my attention. I will look into this and see about getting some more. Basically, she let me know in that same email that she was going to purchase 2 new. She got an order in for 2 new trash cans. And I'm like, no, please allow me to go and purchase 2 new trash cans so that we can make sure this don't happen again. Of course, I talked to my team, let them know, hey, y'all, can you be careful with these? Because they're kind of assuming that we, are breaking them. All that said, I want to take y'all along with me to go get these trash cans and see if we can find 2 better quality trash cans and just see what that does for our client. So let's get to it. Quick thought. This also goes back down to the law of reciprocity, right? Just giving without expecting anything, right? But here's the thing. I know that doing stuff like this, taking a few minutes out of my day, driving up the street to the Home Depot that's right down the street from this particular office, is gonna make a huge impression on this particular client or clinic manager. And this is how you build those raving type of clients, right? Them people who gon' make referrals for you, who would tell other clients and clinic managers about you, right? All right, y'all, so we just made it to Home Depot, which also happens to be one of my favorite stores for cleaning supplies. Don't sleep on it. But I have made it to the trash cans right here. Here it is, y'all. I found the exact trash can with the silver step on it. Here's what be popping off right there, this area. We got a couple of them in here, so I'm gonna at least grab these. I know I said I wanted to get some better quality, but they just have this one with the black step on it. They have that one, which is a little bit different. I don't think they want that. And then you got this one, which is not very practical for what they got going on in there. Let's see. Plus, that one is around, I guess, what, $69, $70? And the one we're looking at, I guess this is it right here, about $20, right? The thing that really matters is they are not having to go out of their way to go and purchase them. We're getting 2 new, just replacing them, right? That's one thing I said I'll do. I will replace the ones that y'all already have, right? I didn't promise an upgrade. I promised to replace. So anyway, let's keep our promises. Let's get them. So I have the 2 new trash cans in the car. I spent about $40 on these, and it's only been maybe 15 minutes since I left the clinic. So here we go, right? 15 minutes, $40 or so can go a long way in client satisfaction, right? So keep that in mind. Let's get them on back to the clinic. So this is the moment of truth, right? Showing back up to the clinic with the new trash cans, delivering on my promise, keeping my word, getting the old ones out of here. And when they come in here tomorrow, they'll see, oh, wow, he actually cares. He actually did what he said he was going to do. It's things like this that really go a long way, right? It's these small things make a big difference to your customer, your client satisfaction, and the customer experience with your particular company, right? These things are what makes an impression and what builds a reputation for your particular company, right? There was a client recently that asked me, hey, Darren, can you go and water the plants for me? I hadn't been there in a little while. Her particular space had 17 plants in it. And she was like, Darren, are you able to go in there and water those plants for me? Absolutely, no problem. I'm going there anyway. I'll take care of it for you. Took me about 3, 4, 5 minutes, right? And I did it. And that right there, she was like, oh yeah, he cared. It's real, right? And it keeps that personal touch on it. And I know the bigger you get, the more removed you get, but I absolutely want to keep a pulse on what's going on in the business, right? And just even when we do get big, quote unquote, it'll be things like this that we'll still value and still go out and do. This is one of those situations where this particular client or clinic manager, she'll be able to speak about this to other clinic managers if they ask about, hey, how do they handle issues or things like that, right? And it's just letting them know that we are looking at them as a partner, right? we'll take care of that, right? This is not even a cleaning issue. It's a maintenance issue or product or whatever you call it, right? I didn't have to use my insurance to take care of this, right? It's one of those where I was able to just take out 20 minutes out of my day and, $45 or so, a couple bucks, right? And I wanted to just show y'all this because this is things that I'll really do. Like, this is what happens if an issue happens. As soon as I got the email, I already knew, hey, don't worry about it. I'm going to go take care of them. And I was like, why not bring my people along with me? Let them see this is what happens sometimes, and this is stuff you got to do. If this video inspires you, like, hit that like button for me and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you've had to deal with. Is there anything that you had to, take care of and make an opportunity to make an impression and build your reputation in a positive way where it's like, oh, this thing happened. Let me go take care of that for them, right? Thank you for watching this one. Peace.